Good evening. Uh, Good evening, everyone. Gautam here. So, as I have promised you guys, I'm really sorry for the delay. I took one day extra to give a feedback on your page, but now I am here to give the feedback of your landing page, which we are planning to launch along with our ad. So this landing page is the most important part. This is the backbone of our entire campaign. We have to be very careful. It has to be very strong because without a backbone, a human can't even move. So the same thing will happen with landing page. If our landing page is not up to the mark, then our entire campaign will be just burning of money. So initially, even if we have a better landing page, also there are chances of burning money. But if a landing page is good, then really we have a chance with our prospects to convert our audience into customer. So uh, your landing page is solely dedicated for one purpose. It has to, in our case, it has to enroll the people to try a free version of our chatbot. So in that case, this part actually, this home platforms, how it works, pricing, blogs, domain, contact, schedule a demo. I think this is not relevant in the header section of the page. Uh, you can include it in the bottom footer. Oops, what happened? Yes, we can include it in the footer section. No, not a problem. We can easily include it in the footer section. Yes, it is there, right? Okay, but it is not relevant in the header section because it might divert the customer's attention because we are here seeking the customer attention only to our core objective, acquisition of the customer data. So we have to. I strongly suggest to remove this section. I really strongly suggest to this section. It has to be removed in the logging. This landing page. Landing page is solely dedicated for landing page is solely dedicated for our sales, and we need not divert the visitors to other pages. Okay, and your name, it's okay. Contact number, email ID. Okay, okay. I'm filling the landing page. I'm filling the form here. My name is Gautam. My contact number, my email ID, and my organization name. And I am going to try for free. Okay, and what I got here. Thanks. The form was submitted successfully. Go back. So this is another area where we have to work seriously. Seriously, we have to work because this won't give this won't give any uh, proper message to the audience. Like the thanks, the form was submitted successfully. So what does it mean? It means nothing. The form is submitted, but they don't know whether you are going to get back to them or not. Just the form is submitted. That's all. Thanks. But the thing is, like a customer will expect something. Like when you are running a paid campaign, each and every penny counts. So uh, we have to make the form this entire our funnel watertight as much as possible. So instead of this, we have to give a message. Instead of this, we have to give a message. It could be either After try it for free, you can lead it to a chatbot where the chatbot will chat with your customer automatically, and then schedule a demo, and then give him a lead magnet or something. Lead magnet, like it could be a free case study in our case. Okay, and one email should go to the customer as soon as he fills the form. Thank you. We are glad that at least also this wording should be changed. Thank you. We are very delighted to we are really or something. Thank you for showing interest in chatbot, our Trip Diary chatbot. Or welcome. Uh, Thanks for your time and attention to fill this form. We have, please check your inbox. Our team will reach you very soon. So that interaction should be made more human in this case. Okay, so I'm going back now. Okay, okay, I'm back to the landing page, and I think this go back option is not needed here. Okay, so most innovative solutions for new age businesses. Over memorable customer experience with an omni-channel virtual assistant platform. Okay, that's fine. And incognito leads, live chat, customer engagement. Actually, design-wise, this can be improved, but I think this is enough for the present. We won't put, we need not put much money as of now because we can do this as a learning campaign. Okay. So incognito leads, live chat, customer engagement, why us zero maintenance fee, hassle-free deployment, omnichannel communication. So zero maintenance fee along with the 24 bar 7 customer support that you can give because there are a hell lot of competitors we have out out there in the market. So yeah, zero maintenance fee is good, but along with that we have to raise up a bit more, a level more because you have to stand out from the competition. Because customer will be first checking this landing page. Okay, hassle-free deployment, then omni-channel communication, data safety, data security, fully customizable, lead generation, data analytics, revenue growth, customer support, customer report. Okay, improve direct leads and conversation with chatbot plus human live chat via all channels. And also this word we have to rephrase it. Finally, don't forget that upselling and cross-selling continues. I think this tone in this line, the tone in this line is a bit like it's a bit of aggression I can feel in this tone. So we have to rephrase it. We have to restructure it in some way that it has to be softened up. Like you can get more upsells and cross sells with our chatbot. So we can rephrase it like that. Okay, what is a chatbot? Then delivers delightful experience across channels. Uh, Perfect solution for business looking for lead generation, customer engagement, revenue growth, and retention. Power memorable. What is this? This is also something you have to look at. This is also something you have to rephrase it, restructure it. Okay, and these are all fine. Trip diary integrates with all leading conversational channels. Yeah, this is good. This is good. This is good. And also SMS you have to include, right? Yes, our customers. Also, you can also rephrase this instead of plainly putting our customers, our satisfied customers, or our delighted customers, or our esteemed customers who benefited their business with the Trip Diary platform. Okay, and our metrics, customer success. Yeah, this is one area we have to focus because all these testimonials look the same. All these testimonials look the same. This is one thing. This is one thing that if